everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a list on Twitter or X. First, open the X app and then tap your profile picture on the top left to open the menu. Next, select list, then tap on the new list icon. It usually looks like a little note or a plus sign. Then give your list a name, and if you want a description you can also choose whether the list is public or private. If you want your list to be private, just click on the private option. Once you're done, tap create and your list is ready. You can now add accounts to your list by going to their profile, tapping the three dots and selecting to add to list. That's it. Lists are a fantastic way to organize accounts, keep track of the topics you care about, and see tweets from specific groups without cluttering your main feed. Take some time to explore and make lists that suit your interests. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more X tips and tutorials. Keep organizing, stay engaged, and I'll see you guys